On today's episode of How to Grow Your YouTube Channel. So, if you know you've been struggling with your views, your subscribers, your watch hours, and anything at all you've been struggling with, today I'm here to solve that problem, okay? In fact, after watching this video today, your channel will no longer remain the same. So, if you're interested in this video, sit back, relax, and watch this video till the end because I'm going to be showing you the particular setting you need to turn on in order to skyrocket your channel. After turning on this setting, your views is going to increase, your subscribers are going to increase, your watch hours are also going to increase, okay? In fact, if you're planning to post a video right now, just hold on, pause, and wait till you watch this video from beginning to the end, okay? After watching this video, then you can go ahead and implement what I've said in this video, then you can post. So, if you're seeing this face for the very first time, I'm Glamorous and I talk about how to grow your YouTube channel. Do well to like, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more updates. Right, let's get straight into the video. Right now, I'll be taking us to the YouTube studio because that is where I'm going to show you in practical steps how and what to turn on in order to resurrect your channel, okay? In order to start getting back your views, your subscribers, your watch hours, everything, okay? Now let's head to the studio. So we'll be going through Google. But when we get to Google, there are two ways to enter your YouTube studio. It's either you type in YouTube desktop site or you just go ahead and type studio.youtube.com, which will lead you directly to your studio. So that's what I'm typing now, studio.youtube.com. It's loading. Let's wait a bit. It's loading. Okay, so you're going to see get the app and continue to studio. So you just click on continue to studio. Once you click on continue to studio, your studio is going to open. Now our studio is open. Now by the left side of the studio, you're going to be seeing this icon. That's the settings icon. You click on it. So when it opens, there are also other options still at that left side. We have general channel. So we'll click on channel. We're going to be clicking on channel because that's where we want to work on. When you click on channel, you're going to see basic info, advanced settings, and feature eligibility. So you're going to click on feature eligibility. When you click on that, you're going to see different options that will pop out. Now, the first thing you're going to see there is standard features, upload videos, create playlists, and add collaborations and new videos to playlists. So you're going to click this enabled. Once you click it, it's going to turn green. As you can see, mine is already enabled. It's green in color. The next thing there is intermediate features, videos over 15 minutes, custom thumbnails, and live streaming. You are going to also enable this. Then the last one is advanced features, increase daily video uploads and live streams, and eligibility to apply for monetization, which is very, very important. So you have to enable this so that you can be able to apply for monetization and upload videos that are more than 15 minutes and live streams. So when you are done with all this, when you've enabled all this, you just come over here and save. So my loves, I believe this video has been helpful to so many people out there. So if you found this video helpful, do well to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, drop your questions, or you drop your comments in the comment section, and most importantly, share this video. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye for now.